Within the aPrompt website admin areas, there are many functions you can have and templated layouts available to you. We're going to show you how to add a button to a page using the templated layouts. So click on the page you want to edit, choose where you want your button to appear, click Insert Template. From the drop-down menu, choose either Solid Button or Outline Button. The outline button looks like this, with an outline, or the solid button looks like this, which is the solid one. Click OK, and you can edit this text here, and you can edit where the link goes to. So let's choose to change this to Get in Touch. And then we can link that to a page, the contact page for instance. So you click Insert Edit Link, and you replace the URL hashtag with the link you want people to be taken to when they press that button. So I have previously copied the contact page link from the front end, and I'm going to paste it in here. Then I'm actually going to just copy that text, changing that to a capital G. Actually, let's change that to a capital G as well. And then I'm going to add some extra information. I want them to go straight to the contact page after they've clicked that button, so I'm not going to have it opening in a new tab. I could do if I wanted by selecting new window, but in this case I'm going to keep it to the default selection of none. Click OK, and that's it, that's done. Click Save. I'll show you what it looks like on the front end. There we go. So I'll show you what it looks like with a different button. So again, put your cursor where you want your button, click Insert, Template. I'll choose an outline button this time. Change this text if you want, or you can just link it to the page you want it to be, you want people to go to. So I'm going to choose the team page. I'm going to pop it in there, in the URL. The title will be there we go, click OK and click Save. I'm going to refresh this page so you can see, there we go, there's an outline button and there's a solid button. That's not actually us. This is just a template. So there you go.